Hey knitting newbies and yarn lovers, ready to turn those tangled threads into cozy magic? Learn to Knit in 50 Squares by Anna Pantelous is your new best Learn to Knit buddy. This clever 2-in-1 book teaches you knitting one square at a time. Yes, 50 different squares, each with its own handy skill. Starting from the basics like casting on and those trusty knit and purl stitches, it gently steps you up to cool tricks like colorwork, slip stitches and even knitting in the round. Fancy, right? Anna, the genius behind the popular Annaplexis site, breaks it all down with clear photos and easy instructions. So, no yarn disasters here. Plus, if you like videos, she's got those too for extra help. And here's the fun part. Once you've learned to knit and mastered all 50 squares, you'll join them up to make a stunning blanket. Big for your bed or small, baby-sized, up to you. All warm and snuggly, all made by you. So grab your needles, pick your favourite yarns, and let's knit a little joy, one square at a time. Your cozy blanket journey starts here.